Each country and institution use a specific grading scale. The Grading Scale app allows you to import some pre-made grading scales and start using them. You can click on the Import button, or you can go to the menu and choose Import Grade Scales. In the tool Import Grade Scales, you can filter by country. And now, click on one of the scales that you want to import and use. Then, verify that the percentage corresponds to the ones that you need to use, and click Yes to finish importing. If your grade scale does not appear on the list, please send us one email with this grade scale and percentage, and we will add it to this list.